Hello everyone. Today we will see some more numericals. Okay, maximum type of numerical we already done. Okay, impulse. Some students are asking me the question based on impulse. Impulse is not in your syllabus, but in some books it is given. So today we will discuss some numericals based on impulse and based on Newton's second law also. Okay, now see this question. A cricket ball of mass 100 gram is moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second and is hit by a bat so that it turns back. Okay, and moves with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Find the impulse and the force if the force acts for 0.01 second. Basically, in this question, it is saying that a cricketer is there, he hit the ball, okay, and the ball is contact with what? Bat is the time is 0.01, and when it coming and hit the ball, then its velocity is 10 meter per second. After hitting, the velocity is 20 meter per second. Okay, so let's do this question. What is given mass? Okay, mass of the ball, that is 100 gram, that is equal to 0.1 kg. Got it? After that, okay, now let the direction of the final velocity after being what stuck by the bat be positive. ठीक है, मैंने बताया था फिजिक्स में. ठीक है, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. फर्स्ट आई टेक व्हेन द बॉल हिट द बैट. ओके, let the direction of the let the direction of the final velocity after struck by the bat be positive. मतलब जब बैट से बॉल लग गई, ठीक है, मतलब फाइनल वेलोसिटी मैंने इसको जो है पॉजिटिव माना, तो मुझे इसको नेगेटिव मानना पड़ेगा. ओके, गॉट इट. बैट बी पॉजिटिव एंड द इनिशियल velocity before struck by the bat be negative. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं कि तुम भी यही मानो. ओके, you can change it also, but be careful. If you are taking one positive, then another direction is negative. Got it? Now, initial velocity u is equal to minus 10 meter per second, and final velocity v is equal to 20 meter per second. Got it? And time t is equal to 0.01 second. Now every data is given. All right, now what we have to find? Impulse. I already told you that impulse is basically change in momentum. Okay, the change in momentum is called impulse. Okay, now let's do impulse is equal to change in momentum. Able to see now? Yeah. Now I is equal to mv minus u, and the mass of the ball is what? 0.1 kg. into v 20 minus plus minus minus 10, okay, and this is equal to 0.1 into 20 plus 10, that is 30 into 0.1, okay, that is equal to 3 kg meter per second. Got it? So this is first answer, impulse. After that, what is asking? And the force. Okay, find the impulse and the force, and we know that force is equal to what? Force is equal to change in momentum on time. Change in momentum upon time. Okay, now we will see. Now I am doing here. Okay, say now F is equal to change in momentum. What do we find? That is 3 upon time, that is 0.01, and that is equal to 300 Newton. Got it? Able to see or not? Yes. Okay. So force is equal to change in momentum upon time. We already find the change in momentum, that is 3 kg meter per second upon time. Time is what given? 0.01. Okay. Now when you solve this, you got force is equal to 300 Newton. Got it? Now come to the next question. Now come to the next question. The next question is, see here, you often hear that the collision, okay, collision of the car is done by the companies, and they give some rating, okay, that Tata Nexon is India's first safest car who got 5 rating in global NCAP. Okay, so how they test? To test how could the bumpers of the car, bumpers means the front portion of the car, okay, of a car weighing 1500 kg are, if it is, okay, if it is made to collide with a wall, okay, the initial and final velocities of the car are minus 15 meter per second and 2.6 meter per second respectively. If the collision lasts, okay, for 0.15 second, then find first the impulse of the force, the average force exerted on the car. मीन्स क्या कहना चाह रहा है क्वेश्चन में? एक कार है, ओके, उसको एक बॉल से कोलाइड किया जा रहा है, ये देखने के लिए कि उसका बम्पर जो है कितना मजबूत है। गॉट इट? तो उस समय जब कोलाइड कर रहा है, तब नहीं कि बिफोर कोलिजन उसकी वेलोसिटी है 15 मीटर पर सेकेंड, ओके, और कोलिजन के बाद उसकी वेलोसिटी है 2.6 मीटर पर सेकेंड, ओके, और ये कोलिजन का जो टाइम है वो है 0.15 सेकेंड. So what we have to find? The impulse of the force and the average force exerted by the car. So let's see what is given. Given mass of the car m, okay, that is 1500 kg, okay. After that, what is given? Initial velocity that is equal to minus 15 meter per second, okay. After that, final velocity, and that is equal to 2.6 meter per second, okay. Now after that, time is given 0.15 second. Now what we have to find? we have to find impulse. Impulse is equal to change in momentum. Okay, change in momentum, and that is m v minus u. Mass is what, 1500 kg into v means final velocity 2.6 minus 15 meter per second. Okay, now this is equal to 1500 into, in bracket, 17, and that is equal to 1500 into, sorry, 17.6, okay, into 17.6. When you will multiply this will come, calculate it again, 26400. That is impulse, so kg meter per second. Got it? Don't forget to write the unit. Okay, that is very important. Now, after that, what is asking? Average force. I already told one more formula of impulse, that is I is equal to F into T. Okay, from here you are able to find the force. Okay, so average force exerted on the car, that is equal to impulse upon time, and we already find the impulse, that is 26400 upon time, that is 0.15, and that is equal to 26400 into 100 on 50. Okay, so we calculate कर लेना. Okay, this will come 176,000. Okay, Newton. Check both the answer. Okay, I already discussed this question in the live classes also. Okay, so this is second question. If you have more question in the on the topic impulse, then you can share with me. Okay, we will discuss that also. Okay, now come to the next question. Now come to the next question. The next question is not based on impulse. Okay, the question is, a motor car of mass 1200 kg is moving along a straight line with a uniform velocity of 90 km per hour. Its velocity is slowed down to 18 km per hour in 4 seconds. Okay, by an unbalanced force. Calculate the acceleration and change in momentum. Okay, which is known as acceleration and change in momentum. After that, also calculate the magnitude of the force required. So basically, what question is saying, car is moving and the mass of the car is 1200 kg. Okay, along a straight line with a uniform velocity of 90 km per hour. Okay, कितने से वो चल रही है? After that वो स्लो हो रही है, धीरे धीरे स्लो हो गई, कितनी पे आ गई? 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर, और कितने टाइम में? 4 सेकेंड में. बाई अनबैलेंस फोर्स, हो सकता है ब्रेक अप्लाई हो या फिर कोई अनबैलेंस फोर्स लगा उस पर. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, कैलकुलेट द एक्सेलरेशन एंड चेंज इन मोमेंटम. After that, also calculate the magnitude of the force required. So let's see what is given here. Given mass of the car, and that is equal to 1200 kg. Okay, with a uniform velocity means what? Initial velocity is given. Initial velocity, and that is u is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. Okay, change this in meter per second. For changing, what we have to multiply 5 upon 18, and that will come 25 meter per second. Got it? And final velocity v is equal to, that is 18 kilometer per hour. change this also, that will become 5 meter per second, and time is also given, time t is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, so this much information is given in the question. Okay, now what we are asking first, calculate the acceleration. Okay, so acceleration is equal to a is equal to v minus u upon t, and that is v is 5 minus 25 upon t, that is 4 second, that is equal to minus 20 upon 4, that is equal to minus 5 meter per second square. So what acceleration we got, that is minus 5 meter per second square. After that, change in momentum, change in momentum, that is equal to m v minus u, able to see. Okay, and that is equal to m v, v is 5 minus 25, and the value of m, that is 1200 kg. Okay, from here 1200 into 20, and that will become 24,000 minus 24. Okay, यहाँ पे माइनस होगा, ध्यान देना, 24 kg meter per second minus 24,000 minus 24,000 kg meter per second. Okay, this is momentum. After that, one more thing is asking in this question, and that is magnitude of force. Okay, so force required F is equal to m into a, mass 1200 into acceleration minus 5 meter per second, and that is equal to minus 12 5 60, so that 20 means minus 6,000 Newton. Okay, what negative sign shows that the force is opposite to the motion? Negative sign what shows that force is opposite to the motion. Okay, got it? Or you can also say that force is opposing the motion. ठीक है, opposing ज़्यादा सही बोला जाएगा, opposing the force is opposing the motion. Got it? So magnitude of the force, that is 6,000 Newton, and change in momentum, that is minus 24,000 kg meter per second, and what acceleration is coming, that minus 5 meter per second square. Okay, now near about all type of question we done in this topic. Now from next lecture we are going to start Newton's third law, and one more topic is left, that is conservation of linear momentum or conservation of momentum. Okay, so if you have any query regarding this topic, okay, you can ask me. Okay, now thank you.